So now the sequence MINA. It is not MINA, it is MIN, min A. So let me type it min A. It return a smallest value, does not ignore your logical value. What does this mean? Can you comment what should be answer for this? 187? It is 0 because there's a dot mentioned, and dot represents 0 because it is a logical, and if you remove this it should give 187. I'm just doing undo. Copy this, paste this. It is because of this and because of this. Now if you change any number, or it will write 0 on -22, it should give -22. Earlier it was a character mentioned, that's why it was giving you a 0. What should be answer? -10, obviously, because that is a -1, and this represents 0, 0, 0, and this is negative, so it is the lowest number. So that's it for this video.